In 1953, Dr. Friedrich Jungheinrich developed a new forklift, the Ameise. Today, it's synonymous with an entire field of technology. Treasure Trove, the discovery of a very special vintage forklift, an Ameise from the 1950s. Experts from Jungheinrich have come to take a look. We got a call from Mr. Schanzenberger and he told us he had another old forklift. So I had a look and thought, wow, from 1955, it would be the oldest Jungheinrich forklift I've ever heard about. An eyewitness from Germany's economic miracle. But is it genuine? The first impressions are promising. It might still be possible to restore it to its former glory. I had to promise the previous owner that the forklift would end up in good hands. She's really served me well over the years. But I'm happy for her and I'll definitely check in on her to see how she's doing. But first, they have to see if the forklift really can be restored. The engine still runs at full power. Even for professionals, a discovery like this doesn't come along every day. If the vehicle passes its first test, it will be sent to Jungheinrich for restoration. All the paperwork's in order. Yeah, I've never seen that before. We've never had a discovery like this. It's really unprecedented. I'm looking forward to working on the restoration of the vehicle in our used equipment center in Klipphausen. To be continued.